Right everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to fit some Footwell bulbs from Auto Beam. Quality gear as always from Auto Beam. So we're going to get these fitted and I'll show you what colour I've chosen in a moment. Right guys, really simple installation for your Footwell bulbs. So as I say, these are from Auto Beam. These are quality stuff, and there's always a promotion code available, and you can pick one up on many of the forums. So look, we're going to get this installed now. I'm just going to jump underneath the underneath here and just get that plugged in there. So I'll show you in a second. Okay guys, so really simple installation. So we're just going to basically find the housing for the bulb, which is just, oh sorry, it's just underneath here. I'll excuse the, I just need to put the booster vacuum hoses up slightly, but it's just under here. In fact, it's just there. Really simple. So I'm just going to push that in. It's a little bit tight, and there you have it. Oh, 1 second. Right, let's start again. So I ended up, must have been twisted slightly, so when I pushed it in, the actual housing moved. But let's give that a little wiggle. Oh, let's turn it around. Oh, it keeps moving. Hold on. Right, okay, so I'm struggling doing it with one hand because the housing to the bulb keeps moving when I push the bulb in. So I'm going to have two hands, one to hold it and one to push it in. So just give me a second and let's just get this done. Right, there you go, you lot. I just had to hold the back just to push the bulb in because it kept pushing through. So there you go. We've got red interior bulbs, and let's go and do the driver's side. Right, back on the driver's side now. Let's get this bulb in, and it's just basically just under here. As I say, this is making a bit of a meal of this. It is a very simple job. Here we go, here, just here. I'm just going to push that in. Make sure I line it up properly. Turn it around. There we go. So red LED lights now installed. It's going to look pretty cracking again at night. And just to add to the interior of the red theme, make sure everything goes off. We'll just lock the car, make sure they dim and go out. Yeah, perfect. Open the car. Perfect. So really simple and nice addition. I've gone with red. Obviously you can go with whatever colours you like. And so let's just jump in. Should be a nice addition. On a dark night, we've got a bit of Footwell lighting, and I'll just turn the car on and everything goes off. Sweet. I'll turn it off and they come on. Perfect. Great little addition. Nice and simple. And I mean, it's going to look like a prostitute's house, but there you go. I've gone with red. I might change them at some point, but we've gone with the red theme. So and then we've got the interior up above. We've got all these to change yet as well. So that'll be next on the agenda. And yeah, perfect. Right, everyone, that was the installation of the Footwell bulbs. Didn't go as swimmingly as I hoped. Bit of a problem on that Footwell where I was pushing it up, and unfortunately the bulb housing was pushing its way through as I was pushing it in, so it didn't make life that easy, but I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine for you. That's a couple of minute job and really adds to the ambience of the car, and also gives you some lighting obviously when you switch on the car and jump in. So I've gone with red for the moment. Might change that at some point, but there we go. Another installation for the Footwell bulbs. Really simple and easy to do. I've gone with auto beam. So you make your choice, but a quality bulb, so definitely worth choosing them. And yeah, I'll catch you on the other side. If you haven't subscribed, again, jump on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to keep up with the videos, and I look forward to catching you guys on the next one. Cheers, thank you.